Crash course on Finland, local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries. Finland is a land of captivating natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. As you embark on your journey to this enchanting country, let's explore the local customs, must-visit cities, hidden gems, and travel itineraries that will make your trip a memorable experience. Cultural norms and etiquette. Finland is known for its warm and welcoming people. When greeting someone, a firm handshake is customary. Finns value personal space, so maintain a respectful distance when interacting. It's common to remove shoes before entering someone's home. Finnish sauna culture is deeply ingrained, and experiencing a traditional sauna is a must. Must-visit cities. Helsinki, the vibrant capital, offers a mix of modern and historical attractions. Turku, Finland's oldest city, boasts medieval charm and a vibrant cultural scene. Tampere, the Manchester of Finland, is known for its industrial heritage and dynamic art community. Rovaniemi, the gateway to Lapland, is where you can meet Santa Claus and witness the northern lights. Hidden gems. The Åland Islands, an autonomous archipelago, offer a tranquil escape with picturesque landscapes and maritime culture. Porvoo, a charming coastal town, is famous for its colorful wooden houses and cobbled streets. Koli National Park, in the eastern part of the country, is a hidden gem for nature lovers, offering stunning vistas and hiking trails. Travel itineraries. Helsinki and beyond. Explore the capital's top attractions, such as the Helsinki Cathedral and Suomenlinna Sea Fortress. Take a day trip to Nuuksio National Park for a nature escape. Lapland adventure. Experience the magic of Lapland with reindeer sleigh rides and husky safaris. Visit the Santa Claus village in Rovaniemi and witness the midnight sun or northern lights. Turku and the archipelago. Discover Turku's history and visit the medieval Turku castle. Explore the picturesque archipelago with ferry trips to unique islands. Practical travel tips. Embrace public transport. Finland's public transport is efficient and covers major cities. Consider getting a travel card for convenience and cost savings. Enjoy sauna culture. Don't miss the chance to experience an authentic Finnish sauna. It's a vital part of Finnish life and a relaxing tradition. Sample local cuisine. Taste Finnish delicacies like Karelian pastries, reindeer dishes, and fresh fish from the lakes. Interesting story. The midnight sun. In the northernmost regions of Finland, during the summer months, the sun never sets. This natural phenomenon, known as the midnight sun, has inspired folklore and art for generations, reflecting the unique connection between Finns and their natural environment. Top 12 attractions of local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries in Finland. 1. Helsinki, the vibrant capital city with a blend of modernity and history. 2. Turku, the oldest city with medieval charm and cultural experiences. 3. Tampere, the industrial heritage city with a dynamic arts scene. 4. Rovaniemi, the gateway to Lapland and the home of Santa Claus. 5. Åland Islands, a serene archipelago with maritime beauty. 6. Porvoo, a picturesque coastal town with colorful wooden houses. 7. Koli National Park, a hidden gem for nature enthusiasts. 8. Nuuksio National Park, a nature escape near Helsinki. 9. Suomenlinna Sea Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Helsinki. 10. Santa Claus Village, experience the magic of Christmas all year round. 11. Lapland safaris, reindeer sleigh rides and husky safaris in Lapland. 12. Finnish saunas, embrace the traditional sauna culture for relaxation. Summarize. Finland beckons travelers with its captivating landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. From the vibrant cities to the serene archipelago, every corner offers a unique experience. Embrace the local customs, explore hidden gems, and immerse yourself in Finnish traditions. Your journey to Finland promises to be an unforgettable adventure filled with memorable moments and cherished memories. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.